Hi, well, we're going to be finishing our autumn fine sheet this week, and we're going to be doing 4 little studies all in one tutorial, so I thought it'd be quite fun to see how I juggle 4 items all at once when I'm up against a deadline. And so we're adding in these ornamental quinces and this little oak gall, which is a rather darling little thing. So we've added these onto a sheet of studies that we've been building on over the weeks and months. And there's a couple of things in there that I did in my part-time spare time, as it were. But actually this is a really nice way of finishing the sheet and having some extra studies to fit into your sheets of studies that you've been doing. So give it a go, see what you think. There's some lovely warm autumn gold colours in here, and some really nice little bits of branch and twig to paint as well. And it's quite a nice simple little studies that everyone can have a go at. So I hope you enjoy doing this little composition and adding those little pieces to your own work. So happy painting, and let's see what you come up with.